Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum, my lovely students and my little angel. How was your weekend? I hope everyone had enjoyed it. And I hope everyone did well in their tests. See, the hard work always pay off. Even in the difficult situation, we made it possible. Pakistan International School, and there is a big team which is making it possible to bring the learning and growing process to your screens. And you are in these conditions, still you are able to learn, and you are even able to give your exams and you take the marks. Mostly the students have taken good mark. Why? Because they did hard work. They learn, they revise, and they send us homeworks and they follow what we had guided them. So, my lovely students, we are so happy with you. And today you're going to take Maths 19th lesson, and I'm your teacher, Mrs. Cash. Once again with the Maths lesson. I have always told you that we would make it make your learning and growing process easy and fun. So let's learn and grow together. Maths is the fun. The more you learn, the more you love. The trick to maths is do it more, okay? If you want to be good at maths, try to spend and give a quality time to maths. Then you will be known as a genius in maths. The people who are known as genius in maths, they give a maths a quality time. Okay? So maths is just like a game. Oh, mostly the games are based on maths. And today you would find it out how all the games and all the fun things are related to maths. Math is essential in our day-to-day life. So let's learn and grow together in our maths class. Today we will be revising our lessons, counting lesson, and counting in words, counting in numbers. I would revise the table of two with you, so it stay fresh in your memory. And there is one new topic which we are going to learn today that you are going to find out in a little while. You would have to wait for it. And then, related to that concept, there is an interesting activity in your GABA book. So, let's start the fun with counting a number. So, join me and say it loudly. 1, 2, 3, here we go. 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110. Well done. Come on, my lovely students. Say it loudly and repeat after me. 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120. Well done. Now let's count some more. 121, 122, 123, 124, 125, 126, 127, 128, 129, and 130. Well done. Let's count some more. 131, 132, 133, 134, 135, 136, 137, 138, 139, 140. Well done. Now let's count some more. 141, 142, 143, 144, 145, 146, 147, 148, 149, 150. Well done. See how fun it is. Let's count and keep counting with me. Repeat after me. 151, 152, 153, 154, 155, 156, 157, 158, 159, 160. 161, 162, 163, 164, 165, 166, 167, 168, 169, 170. 171, 172, 173, 174, 175, 176, 178, 178, 179, 180, 181, 182, 183, 184, 185, 186, 187, 188, 189, 190. Well done. You have reached so far, and it is such a fun counting together, isn't it? So let's count some more. 191, 192, 193, 194, 195, 196, 197, 198, 199, and 200. Well done. You did a great job. See, now you find counting so easy. In the beginning, it was a bit tricky for you, isn't it? Why? Because you had revised it a lot. We are trying to add it in all the lessons. And when you revise it more, the concept just become clear in your mind and you learn it well, isn't it? So that's why I'm telling you revise and keep revising the things which you know already. Keep revising, keep revising. Okay? Here, this is the trick to the maths. Keep revising and keep revising. So, my lovely student, here is a concept about heavy and light. Heavy and light object. What is heavy and light? Everything around us have some weight. When you hold and grab a thing and you feel a weight, isn't it? Some things are heavy while the others are light, isn't it? Yes. Heavy and light. Do you know that different objects have different weights? Do you? Yes. When you hold the things, some are light while the others are heavy. Now look here. Have you seen the big computers with a CPU, keyboard, and screen? Did you have seen that? Do you have at your home? These are heavy, isn't it? Did you ever try to hold it and pick it up? Pick it up? They are so heavy. Well, did your mummies or your daddies have all laptops? Did you try to hold it? They are so light in their weight. Some computers are heavy while the laptops are light in weight. Now, did you have seen the coconut? It is a bit heavy when you hold it in hand. As compared to it, the orange is light in weight. If you hold the coconut in one hand while in another hand you hold the orange, you will feel that the coconut is heavy while the orange is really, as compared to coconut, very light. Objects. Now, weight-wise, objects are divided into two groups. Weight, according to the weight, they are heavy or they are light. Okay, and usually we compare the things with each other in a heavy and light the matter of heavy and light. Okay, we compare this thing is heavy while the another. For example, you have seen the bus. Did you ever travel via bus? You come to school in a bus or car? Tell me about it, okay? Did you have seen that the buses are heavy and big while the cars are light and small? Yes, the buses are big, they are so heavy. Did you have seen the big ships in which the passengers and heavy things travel across the sea? They are so heavy. While the bicycles on which you take to park, they're so light is compared to the ship. How we say the things are heavy and light, we compare, okay? We compare the one thing with another. Then we decide that the one is the heavy while the other is light, or the one is light and the other is heavy. The mechanism of weight work with the comparison. We compare the one thing with another, then we decide. For example, we will compare the airplane with the air balloon. Okay, so I think this is called the air balloon. If I'm wrong, you can correct me, okay? I just forget the exact name for it. I think this is the hot air balloon with which the basket is attached, and it is made from cloth, and this is normally from twigs or something is woven, and the basket is made, while the aeroplane is made from the heavy metal. So the aeroplane is heavy and this balloon is light, okay? Here what we are doing, we are comparing things. We are comparing the plane with the balloon, the hot air balloon. Now in this comparison, the aeroplane stand at a heavy side while the hot air balloon is light. Now, if we compare this balloon with a normal balloon which you use in your birthdays and parties, then this balloon will be heavy while the other one which you use in your birthdays and parties or which you buy in the malls will be light. How does the heavy and light thing, this science work? We compare it, okay? For example, the motorbike is heavy, okay, while the toy scooter is light. The football is heavy as compared to the tennis ball, usually, isn't it? So, my lovely student, I hope you understand how does the heavy and the light thing work, okay? In the markets, first people used to use this balance, okay? Now we have electric balance which tell exactly the weight, okay? Now you will put the thing and it will just give you the exact weight. But in the but first a little while ago people used to use the balance like this. They will put a weight one side while they will put a normal weight one side, at another side they will put some objects, then they will try to compare. Like if they want to measure the things, they will put 1 kg rock or 1 kg block made from heavy metal, and then they will put a anything you are going to buy, they will put there and then they will try to measure it. This was the mechanism, okay? Still, in some places they use such balances. It is called the balance, okay? So how does this balance work? If the balance is tilted down, that part is known heavy. If that balance is up, that part is known as light, okay? So now there are three pictures of balance. You are going to take which side is heavy and which side is light, okay? For example, look here. In this balance, someone has put a mug or a cup, and this is tilted down, while at another side they put a leaf. Leaf is up. So you are going to take the heavy side and cross the light. We are going to take the cup side because it is down. Okay, it is down, so it is heavy. Then here it is light. So for a light, we are going to use the cross. Now look here, here are two balloons, small balloons, while here are two strawberries. Okay, now the portion or the side which has strawberries is tilted down, while the side which have balloon, because balloon have nothing in it except air, it is up in air. So this side we will put a cross. It means it is light. While at this side we will put a tick. It means this side is heavy. Now look here. There is a balance, and there are 5 tomatoes in it. At another side, there are 2 tomatoes. The side or the plate in which they put 5 tomatoes is tilted down, so we are going to put a tick here, while the other side in which they put only 2 tomatoes is not tilted down, it is still hanging up. So this side is, we are going to put a cross. It means this side is right. So cup is heaviest compared to the leaf. Strawberries are heaviest compared to balloons, while 5 tomatoes are heavy as compared to 2 tomatoes. So you can grab the different things in the hand and they'll try to measure with your mind. Okay, hold the one book in your mind and one book in your hand, while in another hand hold a pencil. Then tell me that the book was heavy or pencil was heavy. Okay, now this is your homework for the day. You are going to tell me, then when you hold the book in one hand and in one hand you hold the pencil, the book was heavy or the pencil was heavy. Okay, this is your homework for the day. And this page you are going to solve yourself. You are going to understand the concept, then close this video, understand it well, then take a picture, write your name, mention date, and send to us. Then you will get reward. Okay, you will get a collect the stars. So my lovely students, let's revise counting in words with me. THIRTY 30, ONE 31, THR THIRTY 30, TWO 2, 32, 33, THIRTY 30, and then 3 spelling you know already. THRAA 33, 34, THIRTY 30, and FOUR 4, 34, THIRTY 30, FIVE 5, 35. Then 36, 37, 38, 39. See, the 30 spelling is same. THIRTY 6 SED and 7 ER, GHT 8 NINE 9. That is the reason I had revised a lot from 1 to 10. So you know it perfectly. Then the rest is piece of cake. FORTY 40. Learn it well. This is also task for the day. Learn and memorize perfectly the spellings. Now let's revise table of 2 with me. Come on. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 sixes are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18, 2 tens are 20, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 sixes are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 sixes are 16, 2 nines are 18, and 2 tens are 20. You are today going to revise 10 times. Table of 2. Okay? This is your task. You are going to hold the pencil in one hand while the book in one hand, and then tell me which thing was heavy. Then you are going to memorize by heart. You're not going to write it. You're just going to memorize counting in words from 31 to 40, and then revise table of 2. So everything stay fresh in your mind and you get prepared for the next classes. So my lovely students, that was it for the day. For today, I would like to say goodbye. See you in the next lesson.